Welcome to this video. Let us start from where we left in the last video. We have covered some of the topics. You can see the last video to check the other details that we have covered in our OpenOffice document, digital documentation. Digital documentation. We are doing this OpenOffice, right? So let us very quickly change the formatting. Let us see how we can do the formatting. For that, we can open the character box. Okay, so for that, let us open our character box by clicking the format and then clicking the characters. So once I click that, you will find that a character dialog box is in front of you. So we can change many things and we can see the changes happening here presently. Okay, so let us change it here. From you can see the changes which is happening directly. I can change the font size. Okay, and you can see the changes. Font effect is there. We can go there and we can change the color, font color from here. Let it be red, and let us go with the position. Here you can select where to place it. Hyperlink, we can create the hyperlink of the text. In the background, we can set the background here. I'm not setting anything, I'm just clicking OK, and you can see nothing is there. So you have to select the text first, and then you have to go to the format and then the character, and here now you can change it, and accordingly it will show you. So this is what we have selected, bold, and go to the text size 40, and font effect, let it be orange. Click OK, and you can see the change. Now let us learn how to format the paragraph. We have a paragraph here, and I have written some sentences, repeated sentences, just a random sentence to make you understand. So here, to format the paragraph, we can go, just click in the paragraph. You can select the paragraph also. Go to the format tab, and then here we have paragraph. Once we open the paragraph, then you can find there are many options, many tabs, indent, spacing, alignment, text flow, outline, numbering tabs, drop tabs, and borders, backgrounds, and all. So very quickly, let us see what are those. Indentation, it is written before text, it is 000 centimeter. You can increase it, and you can see the changes in the preview. Okay, so you can see how I am increasing and it is showing it. And after text also, if I increase, you can see how the indentation is affecting the paragraph. And in the real time situation also, once I click OK, you can see it. Now you can see the border line, and from there the distance of the words is 0 now, you can say. And if I click OK, you can see now we have a certain distance was maintained between the paragraph and the line, a border line. So let me go to the paragraph again, and you can see there are many options. Spacing is there, above paragraph, below paragraph, what are the spacing you want to maintain. So above paragraph means just above the paragraph, between the table and the paragraph, whatever gap is there. Now it don't have any kind of gap. And line spacing is single line, and then you can increase the line spacing. Okay, and you can see the in the preview. If I give it double, you can see how it is showing. Okay, and once I click OK, then you will find it practically. Let me decrease the indentation a little bit so that it will not go to the next page, and let me click OK. Let's see, and you will find new text in the next page. So this is what is the line gap is between the lines. Sometimes we need to give gap, sometimes we need to remove the gap in the paragraph so that we can put more text in the Word document in one page. So let me decrease the line spacing with a single line, and let us go to the alignment. It is now left. So left alignment, you can see it is left alignment. Normally we select the center, sorry, justified. So what you can see what justified do, it will make the text adjusted in such a way that it will cover the complete area. Now you can see here in the right side we have lots of gap. In the left side we do not have, the gap was maintained uniformly because of the indentation, but in the right side you can find there are gaps. So if I click OK, the text will be adjusted in that particular line so that no gap will be there. So if I click OK, you can see it was adjusted. Okay, it was adjusted in such a way that there is no gap. Okay, so this is the paragraph tab, alignment tab inside the paragraph window. We have selected justified. Then let me go to text flow. It is automatic, it is written, and if I go to the outline and numbering, so you can see body text it is taking, and these all the tabs are very much important. Let me go to the background, and you can set a background of that particular paragraph. Okay, borders, it is asking about borders. Let us it is you can set the border from here, and it is now default is this set or food border. Let us click OK. Let me see, and you can see that that particular paragraph is now under a border. Background is also changed. So many things you can do with the help of this paragraph window, and you can see there are lots of tabs. The alignment here we have selected justified, that we can do from our our toolbar, which is there the top. So this is our toolbar, and this is our formatting toolbar. So I can select the text, I can select the text in the paragraph, and then I can make it left alignment, I can make it center alignment, I can make it right alignment, or I can go for the justified. So these are some of the various food items you can take. These are very famous food items in the India, and let me color it with a different color. Let me take this blue. So these are the food items, and now we can make this list as a number list or a bullet list. So for that we can go to this format, and then we have bullets and number. So if I click, you can see there are types of bullets you can select. Okay, if we click OK, then you will find it here very quickly. You can change it. Let me here we have some options. Okay, so let me go to the format tab and bullet and numbers, numbering, and you can find there are lots of different types of list. Okay, what will be the outline? You can see graphics. Also we can put position can go how to give out what will be the tab stops and all, and other options are given. So you can set it. Let me go to the graphics one, and let me select a good colorful bullet for our purpose. Let me take it and select OK, and you can see we have a graphics list item. So you can select this by, you can choose your list, either bullet list or number list, by going to this formats and then selecting this bullet and number. Now let us see that I have written something, and with the red ink we can see it was marked. So some spelling is not correct here. So to correct this, we can do one thing. We can press F7 from our keyboard, or we can go to the tools, and then we have our spellings and grammar. Let me click this spellings and grammar. We have shortcut key F7. If I click this, then you can see they have given some options. Okay, ignore. We can go for ignore. Then we can go for ignore. So it is checking one by one everything. Okay. All the words it is checking. Now it is here. So it is suggesting some of the words here. We are going back to kinda India. Okay. Indra, like this. They are suggesting some of the name. You can choose any name and just click there, and you can click change. So now you can see our name was changed with the correct option. This is one of the things that you can do. Another option is you can go here and you can click, right click, and options they will show you. Okay, so here you can choose the going option, which is the second one, and again here in India you can click the India. You can go here, press F7, and you can see it is showing the wrong one, and they have given some options to choose. I am choosing India and click change and OK. So once we have done this, we can see sometimes we write something, and our writer automatically push it down. You can see unfortunate. Okay, so it is unfortunately we are so we are going to India. Let me put it, we are going, and now you can see this unfortunately is coming in the next line. I have not entered any entered key, but still it is coming, and there are lots of space here. So what we can do, we can use hyphen here, and the word will not be completed in a one line, that is sure. So the remaining part of the word will be coming in the next line with a hyphen. Let us see for that. Go to the tools, and here we have our just we have to go to the hyphenation. So you can see here under the tools language, and here we have our hyphenation. So if I click it, it will show me that here we can unfortunately here we can add this dash. So if I click, you can see unfortunately, and then neatly it is coming in the next line. So this is the way we can add, and it will save some space also. Otherwise this unfortunately will coming in the next line, where we have space in the first line too. Now let us see the other option where we can change the present word, like going. We have going here. We can go to the tools language and let us select this treasures. This is treasures. Okay, so if I click, it will show me other options too. Okay, like going, departing, depart. Okay, you can see we are here depart, it is showing. Then leaving, it is showing here. Okay, going away, it is showing. So we are going away to, or you can select, many options are there. You can select from here. Okay, so let me select this leaving, and if I click replace, then this going, we are leaving to India, it will be replaced with leaving. We can select the autocorrect option, that is very good for us. So for that, go to the tools, and then we have our autocorrect option here. It is not visible here. Here under the autocorrect option, we can select while typing there. So now if I write something, anything wrongly, like TEH, let's see, and it is taking the. Okay, so there is a format of that, what will be changing to what. Okay, like for that, let me go to this format tab and go to this autocorrect, and then autocorrect option. And here you can see there are lots of options it is showing. So if I write something ACN, then it will be replaced with can, and there are list of items that you can see which is wrongly spelled, and then it was corrected. Okay, so you can choose any one of them, like here you can see already. So let me write already here, already. If I write and hit space, and you can see it is correcting it automatically. So that in that particular list, whatever is there, normally people can type already like this, so it will be corrected. We can make our writer to guess what exactly I am trying to type. So if I trying to type something like this, it will give me a hint. So for that, let me go back to my format option, and then autocorrect, and then autocorrect options. Here go to the word completion, and here you can see enable word completion is there. Okay, show as tip. Okay, so we can select minimum word length 10, and it can be raised to 15, anything that you want. Accept with enter. If I hit enter, then it will accept. Okay, so let me close it. Let us replace the text here. For replacing text, we will go to find, edit, and then here we'll find an replace option. You have to select. Search for, it is asking, so what you are searching for. We are searching for already, and we want to replace it with 7. Okay, let me replace it with 7. And if I click replace, so one thing we can do, we can select it and then we can go for the replace. No, so it replaced the complete thing with 7. So let us find it first. So we have this, and if I want to replace, I can replace it. Then again find, you can see we have some, this already is showing, so I can go for replace all to replace all the 4 already with 7. Like, we have some special options that we can go for. So the special options are, for that, go to the insert and then special characters, and we have different type of special characters here. Out of that, whatever you like to add, you can select it and then just clicking OK will do, and you will find the special character in your document. We can also give some break here, like page break. For that, we do not have to enter multiple times. If I want to go to the next page without entering many times, so for that we can go for the insert option, and then we have our manual break, the first option. Okay, so go for insert and manual break. If I click that one, then we have page break, column break, line break. So go for the page break, and style, if you want to choose default, and there are so many options are there, you can choose for them. For now, I'm not selecting any one, just selecting none and clicking OK, and it is taking me to the next page. It is equally important to set up the page before we type or before we print. It will give us the proper idea. For that, format and go to this page. Once I click, you can see the organized page, background, everything is there. Select the page one, and here it is written format is A4 size. That is okay with us, and whether it will be portrait or landscape mode, you can select it from here. And then margins, it is you can see the margins. You can increase or decrease the margin, and once you are satisfied, you can go for the OK. So sometimes we can write something and we expect it to come in a column wise. So for that, let me show you what exactly I am trying to say. Let me copy this and let me pasting it multiple times to occupy the page, and I have occupied the page with lots of words. Sometimes it is better to see it in a T column, and for that you can go to this format tab. There we have page, and here page style. In the page style default dialog box, go to this column. It is written column 1. You can select 2, 3 and more like this. Let us go with the 2 column. If I click OK, and you can see that we have 2 columns. Okay, the same page we have 2 columns. So this column you can set. Sometimes we need columns, and in that particular moment you can go for format and page options. From there you can select the column. So in this video we'll be stopping here, and in the next video we'll be explaining about some various options, some of the various options that we can use in tables, and lots of more options we'll see. So thank you for watching the video. Keep sharing the video with the students who are studying in class 9. I hope the video is somehow clearing your doubts, and please subscribe the video if you think that this video is helpful for you.